वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। राधे 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 गोविंद वृंदावन चंद अनाथनाथ दीनबंधो राधे गोविंद पंढरीनाथ पांडुरंग राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद वृंदावन चंद अनाथनाथ दीनबंधो राधे गोविंद नंदकुमार नवनीत चोरा राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद वृंदावन चंद अनाथनाथ दीनबंधो राधे गोविंद पुंडरीकाक्ष पुराण पुरुष राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद वृंदावन चंद अनाथनाथ दीनबंधो राधे गोविंद विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरि विठ्ठल राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद वृंदावन चंद अनाथनाथ दीनबंधो राधे गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद राधे गोविंद वृंदावन चंद अनाथनाथ दीनबंधो राधे गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद राधे गोविंद वृंदावन चंद अनाथनाथ दीनबंधो राधे गोविंद। शांति मंत्रम। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हसतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हरि ओम।
Good afternoon to one and all. We are all very happy to see you virtually. Here on this platform, we are celebrating Diwali and Children's Day together. I am Mrs. Uma Jyotishwaran. It's my pleasure to be a part of this family on this special occasion. As principal, I am joining you in this program. On Diwali, usually we celebrate by cracking, that is by bursting crackers and distributing, that is sweets or sharing sweets one another, and we visit our relatives' homes and we get the blessings of elders. All these we do usually. But during this pandemic, we are not going to go anywhere. We are celebrating at our homes with our family. You have to be very safe and healthy. And all these days, whatever you learnt, like virtually, you have to recall everything. The teachers are guiding you and they are teaching you. So today I saw many participants within 5 minutes, 100 and odd joined at a time. But for the regular classes, really we are very, very painful to see the participation, like very less participation in the regular classes. Children, I know that you are all excited to join us in this program, but even apart from all these programs, you have to study well. So you have to learn well. How do you learn? You have to attend all the classes. See, I don't want to give a big lecture on this. So let's see how shall we celebrate on this day. So let's see. Now on Diwali, on this Diwali, you have to take resolution that we are celebrating eco-friendly Diwali by at least planting some saplings, distributing sweets, sharing whatever we have, and minimizing the luxurious expenses. Whatever it is needed, you spend. You please don't pester your parents for a mobile phone of about 20,000, 30,000, whatever. A small Android mobile phone is enough to attend your classes. Please children, you have to attend the classes regularly and don't play online games. See, teachers continuously, they are advising you, but this is from my part, I'm just advising you on this platform. So let's celebrate the Children's Day. See, children are very precious for all, especially for the parents. Parents, they dream on the day you are born, they are dreaming on your future. So for that, they give education and they give all whatever you need, they are providing at any cost. That is, they are struggling a lot to earn, but they are providing you all the facilities. So you have to utilize the facilities in the right manner and in right proportion, and you have to succeed in your life. That's all. So once again, on behalf of Vidya Lakshmi family, a happy and a safe Diwali for all, and also happy Children's Day. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your teacher is going to make some action. You're going to find which word, otherwise which animal or which object that is. Okay? So everybody can participate in that. Please, I'll just give a word to her. Okay? So you will not know what is that word, but you have to find what she is trying to explain you. Okay? Your time starts now, ma'am. Only action, no lip movement, nothing. You can give the paper, ma'am, 1 second. Thank you. No, whether the children are stressed, you can just send the answers in the chat box. You can just type it. Okay. And class 2 teacher, I request class 2 teacher, please. I'll call everyone. Don't think if you are not a class teacher, you will not be called. Okay. Okay, class 2 students, please be ready. But other students also, please join us. Yes, ma'am, your time starts now. Crying. Okay, very good. Okay, this is meant for small kids. Very good. And then class 3 teacher. Please, children, we hope you are all enjoying very well over there. They are very small words only, so don't worry, okay? Reading. Okay, very good. It's reading. Very good, very good. Class 4 teacher. Because the good things and all I'm reserving for. Yes, ma'am, your time starts now. Slap. She has not slapped herself. She is slapping others only. Okay. Very good, ma'am. Thank you. Children, are you all answering in the chat box? Yes, ma'am, your time starts now. What? No, it's not brushing. What? Toothbrush, yes, very good. What about the children? I don't know. Okay, the next class teacher. Okay, I think nobody else is there. Kumudha ma'am, please come ma'am. Yes ma'am, come ma'am. Please put your hands together and welcome Mrs. Kumudha ma'am. And children, welcome your teacher. What shall I give ma'am? Okay, no problem. You take this. Okay. Yes, it's makeup. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Ma'am, Vishnu Devi ma'am, please come on stage. Come on, come on. Everybody please volunteer yourself. Your students, they have to see you on screen. Please, come on stage. Okay, I'll give the easy one. Oh, very good, very good, very good. Okay, I'll just skip to this side. We'll call somebody from here also, then I'll just come if papers are there. Okay? So, next one, Karan sir. Please come on stage. Everybody put your hands together and just welcome. Welcome your teacher and everybody. Okay, just chat in the chat box. Okay. What's that? What's that? Dancing? No. Dancing only it is? What dancing? What kind of dancing is that? Please find out. Children, I hope you are messaging us. Have you found? Bhangra. No, it's not Bhangra. No, no. Try your best, sir. You are entertaining really. No, it's not break dance. I am giving clue. I should not give actually. Okay, very good. Yes. See, find out, find out. There are different kinds of dances, right? Yes. No salsa. What? No, no, it's not break dance. No, I have given something else. I'll show you. It's not break dance. Disco! Yes, it's disco. Children, did you find? Children, did you find? Okay, very good. Whom shall I call next? Mr. Shaktivel. Come, sir, please. Disco dancer. Children has given. The answer is disco. Actually, disco. Sir was trying to dance all the kinds of steps. You people didn't understand. No, no. The answer, the last dance performed by our teacher, Mr. Karan, was disco. Okay, so he was trying to explain you with all different kinds of steps. I hope you can understand what dance that is. Okay, so I'll invite Mr. Nipendra to come on the stage. Children, put your hands together and welcome your maths teacher. Very easy. Very easy. No, you are not supposed to show anything. You should explain. Okay. You should explain. It's very easy, you said, right? Only with action. No lip movement, nothing. Only action. You give the paper first, you may show the clue. It's difficult. You said it's very easy. Maths is very easy. Same like that, this is also very easy. Explain is different. Okay, very good. No, you are not supposed to give clues like that. Bulb. Okay, he got a bulb now. Okay, thank you. And next I invite Mrs. Sridevi. Come on the stage, ma'am, please. Come on. Everything is easy. 4 or 5 letter words only they are. Drums. Oh boy. Very good. It's very easy. Next I invite Mr. Nagesh, the physics teacher. Please come on the stage, sir. Please. Sir, please come on the stage. No, we are performing for the children. I'll give you the very easy one. Very easy. Put your hands together and welcome your teacher. And find Om. No, it's not punch. It's not kick. Karate. Okay, very good. It's karate. Children, did you find? It's karate. Okay, next I invite Mr. Vishwanath, the chemistry teacher. Put your hands together and welcome. Okay. He comes in a... It's very easy, sir. 4 or 5 letter words only. No choosing. Okay, anyway. No problem. Okay. Bird. It's not bird.
Flying.
You are out. Your chemistry teacher is out, okay? He's telling it's flying. Okay, shall I give some other word? Yes, I'll give him some other word. Jump. Okay, it's correct. Very good. Next, I welcome Mr. Gokul, the English teacher. Welcome, sir. Put your hands together and welcome. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Yes, sir. Very easy. Stomachache. It's not stomachache. Don't say the clues immediately, okay? What? Hungry. Okay. Sir is hungry. No problem. You have found it. Okay. Next, I invite Mr. Magesh, the chemistry teacher. Put your hands together and welcome him. Only some more papers are left. We'll see whether lady teachers will get a chance. That you give, sir. Bowling. It's not bowling. Ball. Okay, it's a ball. Very good. Next, I invite Mr. Nirup, our secondary coordinator. Welcome, sir. Children, everybody, put your hands together and welcome your coordinator. Tough. I'll search for tough. Okay. Yes. No, look at your teacher. Oh my God. What is that? What? Guitar. Oh my God. No, your teachers are very brilliant. They are just finishing it very fast. Next, I invite Mr. Shivanandam, your accountancy and economics teacher. Put your hands together and welcome him. I'll search for a tough one or easy one. I'll just search. Okay, I'll give him the best one. For me, no paper. Camera. It's not camera. Now photo. What camera? It's not a camera. It's not a video. It's not selfie. It's not photo. It's not photos. It's not focus. Photographer. See, the commerce teacher has found it. All the other teachers couldn't find it. Okay, very good. And then Mr. Bharati Raj sir, you are Tamil teacher. Put your hands together and welcome him. I'll give him a very tough or easy word. Okay, easy word. Everything is easy word. Next turn is for you. Phone? Yes, it's phone only. Okay, who is left here? Only Mr. Shaktivel. I'm not going to call him. Okay, I'll call him at the end. Next, Mrs. Komala ma'am, whether you have come. Okay, library ma'am. Okay, she's a librarian for everybody, so everyone knows her. So let's put our hands together and welcome. What kind of word we can give her? Yes, 2 teachers are here. We'll call them. It's okay. It's not cough. Sneeze, you are telling. Okay, very good. Anyway, okay, I'll invite Mrs. Saraswati Sendil, the KG coordinator. Please welcome, ma'am. Yes. They used to explain with a lot of expression only to the children. So I hope she will be doing very best. Yes? Yes. Oh my God. KG children, are you there? See your teacher, how angry she is. Okay, very good. Let one turn come.
Yeah. So now we have a word for Irene ma'am. So all of you, ma'am, it's your turn. Yes, you can please give the slip. You can please give the slip.
No, it's a very.
Ma'am, you can't speak. You can't speak.
I thought I was just posting. Okay, that's fine.
Students, it's a hint. It's a one-letter word.
It's not one letter word. It's not one letter word.
One word. One word. Yes, yes, one word.
Technology.
Okay, the right word was technology. Computer science, ma'am, and with technology.
I was giving action word to you people, and this is the inaction word, okay? Anyway, very good. We'll just move on to Amula ma'am, please come ma'am. Come on stage. And your primary coordinator will be coming next. Okay. And then we have dance performance also. Please stay with us. Drink. Okay, very good. You have found it. Ma'am Cecilia, Mrs. Cecilia, please come on stage, ma'am. Okay. Your primary coordinator is ready. Please give the paper. No. Okay. She has pinched me and she is telling the word. Okay, very good. Ma'am, this or that. Okay. Only one more is left. I call Mrs. Yuvapriya. Please come on this. Remote. Yes, it's remote. Okay, very good. The next person on stage is Mrs. Yuvapriya from primary. And still I didn't call Mrs. Jayanti, but I'll call her. No papers left out for you. No, a different word of that. No breathe, not teeth. No, based on those words only, please. The same thing. This should be the real. No. Yes, it's giggle. Okay. Yes. Thank you. All the papers are ran out. That's why we are just stopping with that. The next performance will be. Okay, we can just write and give. No problem. We'll just call out Mrs. Jayanti on stage. Please come, ma'am. Your students are waiting for you. And the next participant will be Mr. Shaktivel. Whether A plus B whole square is given for you. Okay, just. Flying, no. Bird, yes, it's good. Okay, the next person on stage is Mr. Shaktivel, the maths teacher. Come, sir. The word is not given, sir. It's given. Yes. They have given that word only. You give the paper. Give me the paper. Very nice thing he has got it. Very good. Next time we'll just think like that. For each teacher we'll give in a different way. Oh, headache. No, it's not headache. Thinking, it's not thinking. Head shake. Head shake dance. Do sir. What? Irritation. Yes, it's a kind of irritation only. Migration. Day. Okay, very good. He has said it. It's a problem. The children only come to know all these problems. Okay, very good. We wind up with this. The next program will be. So we'll have a speech by Mrs. Cecilia, the English teacher.
Correspondent, Vice Correspondent, respected AGM, Principal of CBSE and Metric, respected educators and my dear students, warm greetings to everyone. I take an immense pleasure to thank everyone who gave me an opportunity to deliver a speech on Diwali. Diwali is considered to be the festival of lights, due to which the people illuminate their whole house with lights and candle or diyas, so that darkness is nowhere to be found. On this happy occasion, we visit our kith and kin with presents and sweets and greet each other. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated with great zeal and pomp and make significant preparation. There are many ancient stories, legends, and myths behind celebrating the festival. But what is significant about this upcoming Diwali? This year marks the beginning of an innovative Diwali that the world has never seen before. The world is in disarray due to COVID, as many lost their lives due to this. It is imperative that you students should decide how to celebrate this Diwali festival. Let us celebrate by following the government instructions and adhering to the social distancing. Also, kindly avoid going outings. Celebrate safe and happy Diwali. Once again, I wish everyone a happy and safe Diwali and a happy Children's Day. On behalf of the management and the staff members, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The next performance will be Tongue Twister by Mr. Bharati Raj.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். சுத்துற பூமியிலிருந்து சுத்தாத வானத்துக்கு போய் சுத்தாத வானத்திலிருந்து சுத்துற பூமியை பார்த்தா சுத்தாத வானம் கூட சுத்தம். சுத்துமே? சுத்துதா?
Children, whether anyone...
ஏடிஎம் மேம்?
Yes, anyone teacher can be called.
ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க, ரொம்ப ஈஸி. சுத்துற பூமியிலிருந்து சுத்தாத வானத்துக்கு போய் சுத்தாத வானத்திலிருந்து சுத்துற பூமியை பார்த்தா சுத்தாத வானம் கூட சுத்தம். சுத்துதா?
சுத்துது, நல்லாவே சுத்துது சார்.
யாராவது ஒருத்தர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்?
Any of the Tamil teachers are here? No, English teacher. Come sir, please.
Okay.
Come on stage.
Karanji.
Come on stage. Yes. Go first.
மேம், நான் ஏற்கனவே அவருக்கு நிறைய ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்துட்டேன் மேம்.
சார் அது சுத்தணும் அதானே சார். இப்போ சுத்துற பூமியிலிருந்து சுத்தாத வானத்துக்கு மேலே போய் பார்த்தா சுத்தாத வானம் கூட சுத்துற பூமி மாதிரி சுத்தம். இன்னும்
கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா ஒரு 2 டைம்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க, கண்டினியூ.
2 டைம்ஸ். சுத்துற பூமியிலிருந்து சுத்தாத வானத்தை பார்த்தா சுத்தாத வானம் கூட சுத்துற பூமி மாதிரி சுத்தம்.
சுத்துற பூமியிலிருந்து சுத்தாத வானத்துக்கு போய் சுத்துற பூமியை பார்த்தா சுத்தாத வானம் கூட சுத்தம்.
சுத்துற பூமியிலிருந்து சுத்தாத வானத்துக்கு போய் சுத்தாத வானத்திலிருந்து சுத்துற பூமியை பார்த்தா சுத்துற வானம் கூட சுத்தாத
சுத்துற வானம் இல்ல, சுத்தாத வானம் கூட பூமி மாதிரி சுத்தம்.
சுத்துற பூமியிலிருந்து சுத்தாத வானத்துக்கு போய் சுத்தாத வானத்திலிருந்து சுத்துற பூமியை பார்த்தா சுத்தாத வானம் கூட சுத்துற பூமி மாதிரி சுத்தம். சுத்துதா சார்?
எனக்கு சுத்துது.
ஒன் மோர் டைம், ஒரு ஃபைனல் ட்ரை. சுத்துற பூமியிலிருந்து சுத்தாத வானத்துக்கு போய் சுத்தாத வானத்திலிருந்து சுத்துற பூமியை பார்த்தா சுத்தராத வானம் கூட சுத்துற பூமி மாதிரி சுத்தம்.
தோட்டமா தோட்டம், பப்பாளி தோட்டம், படுத்த பாயை சுருட்டி எடுத்தான் ஓட்டம். தோட்டமா தோட்டம், பப்பாளி தோட்டம், படுத்த பாயை சுருட்டி எடுத்தான் ஓட்டம். யாராவது ஒருத்தர்? தோட்டமா தோட்டம், பப்பாளி தோட்டம், படுத்த பாயை சுருட்டி எடுத்தான் ஓட்டம். என்ன மேம் என்கிட்டே கேட்டுட்டே இருந்தா எப்படி? நான் ஒவ்வொரு வேர்டா சொன்ன நீங்க சொல்லிடுவீங்களே. தோட்டமா தோட்டம், பப்பாளி தோட்டம், படுத்த பாயை சுருட்டி எடுத்தான் ஓட்டம். No, wrong. Yes, Suman, try பண்றியா? மேம் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. மேம் சார்
Library ma'am. Library ma'am is ready. Very good. Camera.
தோட்டமா தோட்டம், பப்பாளி தோட்டம், படுத்த பாயை சுருட்டி எடுத்தா ஓட்டம்.
சூப்பர் மேம், கரெக்ட். நீங்க கொஞ்சம் கதை விட்டீங்க. ஓகே ஓகே. ஓடுற நரியில ஒரு நரி கிழநரி. ஐயோ எனக்கு மறந்துட்டேன். கிழநரி முதுகில ஒரு பிடி நரமுடி. கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா யாராவது சொல்ல முடியுமா? ஒரு 2 டைம் சொல்லுங்க. ஓடுற நரியில ஒரு நரி கிழநரி, கிழநரி முதுகில ஒரு பிடி நரமுடி. ஓகே மேம், கரெக்ட். கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ. ஓகே ஓகே
Kalanari Mudigula Oru Naramudi. Yes. Again, library ma'am is ready. Yes. Put your hands together.
ஓடுற நரியில் ஒரு நரி கிழநரி கிழநரி முதுகில் ஒரு முடி நரமுடி.
ஒரு பிடி நரை முடி.
ஒரு பிடி. Okay. Very good, sir. So the next word, next sentence.
Next sentence. Okay,
tongue twister.
ஆடுற கிளையில ஒரு கிளை தனி கிளை தனி கிளை தனியில் வந்த கனிகளும் இனிக்கல.
I don't think this will be possible for anyone. Okay, sir, you can say two times.
ஆடுற கிளையில ஒரு கிளை தனி கிளை தனியில் வந்த கனிகளும் இனிக்கல. சத்தி no.
Yes, we don't.
Okay, next room.
Students, anyone can try? Can you please try what Sir said? Whether you can try anyone, please raise your hands. If you raise your hands, we will give an opportunity for you. P. Nandini. Okay. Give spotlight for her. Nandini is ready. Yes. Some people are ready. Please one more time repeat, sir. They will be telling.
ஆடுற கிளையில ஒரு கிளை தனி கிளை தனி கிளை தனியில் வந்த கனிகளும் இனிக்கல. ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா சொல்லிருக்கு. இப்போ சொல்லு. Correct. जी. कुमुदा.
Okay. Sai Krish, you can start now. Yes, please tell. You can start the tongue twister. Unmute yourself. Okay, unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Sai Krish, unmute yourself now. Yes.
ஆடுற கிளையில புரியல. தனி கிளை தனியில் வந்த சரி கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா சொல்லுங்க. ஃபாஸ்டா. Fast.
Yes. Please.
ஆடுற கிளையில ஒரு கிளை தனி கிளை தனியில் வந்த கனிகளும் இனிக்கல.
Very good. Your response is very correct. Only one more.
Okay, next.
This is the last tongue twister.
Easy. கொக்கு நெட்ட கொக்கு இட்ட முட்டை கட்ட முட்டை.
Yes, everybody join together and say. Yes, everybody together.
கொக்கு நெட்ட கொக்கு இட்ட முட்டை நெட்ட முட்டை.
கொக்கு நெட்ட கொக்கு இட்ட முட்டை நெட்ட முட்டை. Correct? Yes. Okay. So give a big round of applause to Mr. Bharati Raj.